Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the new season of Newcastle Brick Boys. Who's keen against the Newy Fried FC, who little bit of a rivalry, I'd say, with the Brick Boys. And keen to see how we start the season. And we start with a big dick Gus goal. Who the fuck is Gus feeling like? God damn. New Year, same Gus. Wow. Clinical from the gaff. Tracking back on defense now. Big save from Furze. Is that in goals? Oh, peel out to Cody. Puts it back. Oh, good little passing play. Gives it back to Big Dick Vic. Plays it to Cody. Can he get it under control? Oh, Newy Fried just clear it out. Puts it to Cody again in the corner. Puts it into the middle. Victor just can't get onto it. Well done, Spora. Gets it out to Cody, who's driving down the wing now. Puts it to Gus, back into the middle to Victor, back to Cody. Oh, off the wall! Oh, Gus just can't find Spora there. That would have been some crazy FIFA Street there. Gus, tackling in the corner, puts it out to Victor. Oh, loses it out, and it just bounces down to Furze. That is lucky. Brick Boys cannot be switching off like that. Victor, bang! Holy fuck. Thunder cunts it into the back of their net. Ain't no saving that. Or unfortunately just puts it out to a Newy Fried player who finishes. Unfortunate from Brick Boys. Jay putting him under the press. They have to go long. Furze. Oh no. Oh no. Slips through his hands. Bit of spin on that, just can't keep hold of it. That is unfortunate. Brick Boys have really got to reset here, keep their heads. Oh, Newy Fried win it. They're on the attack. Oh no, he sits Jay down, just misses. Max going down the wing. Oh, cuts inside. Oi! And the rest, referee! Where's the fucking cheese? Puts it down, or just coming out. Max wins it back. And finishes top bins. Holy fuck. Max is my new favourite player. He is gas. No curveball. Oh, fuck. Finished by Newy Fried FC there. Not much Furze can do there. Not much at all. Puts it back to Furze. Back out to Matt. Bit of a hospital ball there. Cody. Good block. Brick Boys have really got to get the ball under control here. Matt, good D. Holding it out for the last couple seconds. Oh. Yeah, we can't be conceding right there. It's unfortunate. What is... Oh, on the turn. Can he finish it? Oh, just blocked by Newy Fried FC. Matt, oh my god, he has dropped like a sack of fucking shit there. Mate. Weak as piss. Simulation there, ref. Max wins it. He's driving. Takes on one. Plays it out. Puts. Oh, unlucky. Jay just can't find Victor there. Cody's driving forward. Puts it out to Big Dick Vic. Oh, big save from Newy Fried FC's keeper there. Brick Boys have. Oh my god. Almost own goals there. Facts. To a pink shirt, please, boys. Oh, Max is through now. Cuts inside. Oh, Newy FC just get onto it. Cody sends his man. Driving. Plays it out to Max. Back to Cody. Who takes it around his man. Cuts it back to Vic. Holds it up well. Newy FC clear it. Matt taking it under control. Oh my. That is very dangerous. Goes over. Furze holds it well. Spin move. Max turns his man. Really been the main bright spot of this game, I'd say. Put him under, boys. Put him under. Crunch. Good Spora. Big captain's job. Gus. Oh, he's stuck in the corner. 2-on-1. Gets it out. Oi! Send him off. That's fucking filthy. You're a fuckwit, mate. Fucking hell. That is disgusting. Fucking hell. Knob jockey. Could have killed someone. Oh, Gus wins it back, puts it off. Oh, Victor just can't get it. Oh, pass back. Spora wants the penalty. Oh, actually, indirect free kick, right. I understand it now. He's just kicked the ball, that's a fuck. Send him off, ref. Yeah, get the fuck off the field. Fuckwit. Wait, so can players... Bang! No, it's not a joke, mate. You just don't know the fucking rules. Dickhead. Big save by Furze. Big save again. Well done. Good clearance. Oh. Good. Ref, he's just fucking taking his ankle. Hey. Oh, no. Fuck off. Are you fucking stupid? Oh, Gus just loses out. Put him under. Big from Gus. Good clearance. Held up in the corner. Got to get it out. Oh, fuck. Yeah, because you're acting like dickheads, mate. Fuck off, mate. Actually, shut the fuck up. Use him. Brick boys probably should have been a bit more clinical there. 2 red cards and we still can't finish more chances. What the fuck is that bloke with the singlet? Like, mate. What the fuck are you wearing? Grow the fuck up. Oh, dickheads. Why is he still beefing? Chill the fuck out, fella. Yeah. Fuck off, Riley. No one gives a fuck about your shit. Game time.